Magandang gabi mga idol. Ang paligang ito ay atid sa inyo ng ating sangguniang kabataan ng Barangay San Manuel sa pangunguna ng ating skate chairman RJ at ang kanyang mga skate kagawad. Shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Sa ating malupit na announcer ngayong gabi, walang iba, from Nara, Panchoy. Good luck both team and enjoy watching third quarter na po mga idol.
No ball position, wala po tayong ball control, automatic 24 shot at condition, no ball control. Wala pong ball control ng maamang po, automatic matatawagan ng 24 shot at condition. Thank you so much. Then we have only 7 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. At number 15, going for the weak side, inside the frame. Aurilio, it's good for 2 points. I-try 1-42. 11-point lead. At syempre, hatid na rin sa atin ito ang Magis Kitchen, automatic na restaurant masal. And Magis Kitchen, ang number 22, partner with outside chopper. It's good for 3 points. Tindog. Tatlong magpupusan kay Tindog. And score 34-42 score. Apa 8-point lead for Team Mapaset Uno. And itong batang Junor Tagot. And Tagot Junor, number 15, Pan! Manong-manong usapan. Walang problema dyan. Mula sa ating mano-manong puntusan, 6 minutes and 23 seconds remaining. Mabilisang pasahan. Yung pinag-uusapan, basta parang tumasa, huwag kaya ng extra laging pasa. Good for 2 points, 6 minutes and 24 seconds. Ngayon yung sinasabi, yung tipong magkapit bahay, yung chispisang hindi na uubusan. Good for 2 points. 6 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. 26-46 score. Then the chopper shooting 2 points. 6 minutes. In 5 minutes and 54 seconds remaining. 38-46. In jersey number 15, we have only went inside 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Team number 24. And team chopper, pow. They call for foul on jersey number 40 and number 50. They call for foul. And it got up with a timeout, Magis Kitchen. Medyo mapapatimeout lamang po mula sa patron ng Magis Kitchen. We have only 5 minutes in the 43 seconds remaining. Then back to Loge, we have only 5 minutes in the 43 seconds remaining. At number 24 by Lim, mula sa ating 15-foot lane. At Lim first free throw, hatid sa ating hangin na malamig. Yan, shoutout sa hangin yan, napakasarap. Parang ang lasang prito. Yan, shoutout sa may mga pagkain dyan, Mas masarap yung hangin kapag may kayakap. Yan, ganun po talaga. We have only 5 minutes in the 38 seconds remaining. Yan, shoutout sa mga may relasyon nilalamig. At jersey number 1, Usapang Kamigan. Number 1, it's good by Dembala. And Dembala good for 2 points. We've been inside 5 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. And jersey number 9, and Cat Largo. 5 minuto 13 segundo, 40-49. At number 22, ang tayo po ng inside, stay by Cat Largo. And Junor, Tagot Junor, uy! They're in a ball position for Brown Shirts basketball. Last touch from the team of Magis Kitchen, remain inside, Barnes in the 53 seconds remaining. It's good for 2 points. The running score of 51-40. The 4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. We have only 10 seconds to shot line. And the jersey number 4, part for 3. That doesn't work for the 3-point area. At we have only for the steal. Tatlo lang sa dalawa. Yun number 15. Gumamit ng salamin. Salamin walang grado. And good for 2 points for that one, Remaining time, 4 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. It's a 4 minutes and 5 seconds. We have only 30 seconds to shot line. Naglagan for the steal. In foul, jersey number 15, pushing foul, substitution. Devin out, number 2, Tabi. Team turned up, jersey number 10, Tolosa. It's a third personal foul and a second team foul, your team of Atlantis Kitchen. 40, 53, a 40-53 score. Seconds on the shot line. Athlete number 24, Dean Pound. Being talat-talat tayong foul to, being committed for foul on jersey number. He foul on jersey number 1, illegal contact with arm, and a 2 free throw. It's a third personal foul and a third team foul. Yan shoutout kay Tom Stephen Lumugdang. Advance happy birthday sa iyo. Ito na. Ano yan? Mangingibahin na lang kami sa inyo. We have only remaining time 3 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. Iba talaga itong posting natin na yan. Pero may pang-live dito. They committed for foul on jersey number 7. Pushing foul. It's the first personal foul and first team foul. 3 minuto 34 segundo, 3 minutes and 34 seconds away. The opponents at the shot clock. We have only 3 minutes and 30 seconds. With the jersey number 2, we have only 8 seconds on the shot clock. A 5-40 outside. Jersey number 1 and jumper. Pero malakaway yung sa galawan. 3 minutes and 20 seconds away. Minutes and 10 seconds to be. 13 seconds on the shot line. It's a single position. 9 seconds shot line. Time out. That's mga mahilig ha. We have only 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds on the shot line. Kent Largo, fade. Foul. They committed for foul. Foul number 15. A pushing foul. It's a warning for foul for the jersey number 15, warning for disqualification, and warning to entering for penalty. Also a warning for entering for penalty and 4th personal foul. 3 minutes and 2 seconds away. Kent Largo, good for 1 point. 3 minutes. Two minutes and 15 seconds away. 10 seconds shot line. 5 seconds to shoot. And Tabi number 2. 3 seconds on the shot line. 2 seconds to shoot. Liga play. Good. 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. And Yonor chopper. Rising RBT number 15 Yonor. Ay talagang sinagsang mula sa taas. 18 seconds on the shot line. And a chopper. And still 2 minutes and 8 seconds remaining. At the chase number 2. Break and chopper. Put back. Wala ka rin. And to go for the Kent Largo. Break and chopper. Call for foul. Ayan may foul na po tayo nasabit-sabit doon. 1 minute and 58 seconds remaining. Call for foul on jersey number 9. Electric contact with arm and a 2-meter. Substitution. Namalong out the jersey number 17. Another substitution. Para out in jersey number 19. Talatagi. In the jersey number 2, first free throw. And in time, number 2, good for 1 point. Running score 41-57. Lost in front free throw, jumpers 3. It's a shooting. And good for 2 points by Lee. It's a 42-59 score. 42-59. Here's number 2. Looking for the team for the weak side. Makikitawan yung bola. In 13 seconds on the shotgun. Medyo magandang laman mula sa grupo nitong Magis Kitchen at napapalaman mula sa Sentro 1. 1:35 seconds remaining. One minute 25 seconds remaining. One minute 18 seconds. Ken Yonor looking for the teammate to the wing side team. We have another 3 self-shot left. Bam! 2 points. Again, Lago. Then Yonor steal. And Yonor 3 points. Then 64-42. It's a counted basket and 1. A counted basket called for foul on jersey number. A foul on jersey number is Seno. A pushing foul 1 free throw. Pasukin na lang po padapat ng plastic. Yan, thank you po. Last in 5 free throw. Chop is ready. In 39 seconds remaining. And Tally good for 3 points. 39 seconds remaining.
Kung umabot ka na sa part ng video na ito, baka naman pwedeng paki-subscribe ang ating YouTube channel, Basketballers. At paki-bisita na rin po ang aking Facebook page, Franz TV 2.0. Paki-follow na rin po mga idol. Maraming salamat. Hanggang sa muli. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
3 seconds. Passer only. At yan po matapos ang ating third quarter. Score in 45-67 score.